Okay, guys, welcome back to another car meetup, part 2 with God of Guns. This is my pink Jester, everybody, the modded one that I mess with a lot. And this time, guys, we have more than just 3 people. You ready?
We have 4 people, buddy.
Okay, so, what's your name, bud? Okay, now, what is your car? You chose the fabulous Turismo. Hey, bud, what happened in the back of your car?
What?
There's a giant hole in your car, dude. Okay, moving on from the Ninja Turtle car. What's your name, bro?
My name is Serial Killer. I'm driving the Kukwet. Badass car. Sorry, this is amazing.
Indeed it is. Indeed it is. Hey, get out of the car. Get out of the car. Hey. Okay, now what made you go with the black and yellow for the Corvette?
Do what?
What made you go with the black and yellow for this Corvette?
It just catches, you know, it catches everybody's eyes, and it's just so smooth and really...
Okay, and welcome back. We have Kyle.
Hi, my name's Kyle Slayer 27.
Tell us about your Mustang.
Alright, well, my Mustang, the Dominator, is black and orange, and
Stupid OSU.
it's a really nice, and I got chrome wheels, pretty fast.
Indeed, they're pretty sick, man.
Yeah. The reason I went with black and orange is because it's the colors of my YouTube channel.
Sweet. And you, what's your name, bud?
Imperial Mascot.
Alright, now what car are you driving today?
The Ray Turbo. I
Yes,
don't know how to pronounce it right.
it's a Sabre Turbo, that's all it is.
And I personally named my car the Pikachu Mobile because if you look on the side, you can see it's got Pikachu.
Now, can I ask you something?
What?
The car is amazing, but why the shitty yellow?
I don't know. It just goes with the Pikachu thing. But I know it didn't look that good, but...
Okay, everyone get in your car, follow me, and don't hit each other.
Why are you saying that if you like hitting everyone?
You said don't hit each other.
Everybody park next to me. We're going to do a burnout.
Oh god. Really?
We had a collision!
I wasn't looking.
Oh, you missed.
Hey now.
This is my place. This is my positioning. What are you guys doing?
You guys get over here in the right spot. Come on.
No messing around.
Come on, Kyle.
That's not my fault. I didn't mean to.
What are you guys doing to my car?
Everybody start.
Go!
Yeah,
That's so
boy!
beautiful.
Okay, everybody stop real quick.
Yeah.
The cars that we are in right now, we are going to go to the airport and play tag. The last one to the airport is it.
Probably be me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Hey!
We're so sorry.
Hey!
Oh, not me. I'm sorry. Really sorry.
Hey, fuck off.
It wasn't my fault. I just can't
I'm
control
gonna do a
this
front
thing.
flip. I'm gonna do a
First one
front flip.
here.
Back flip.
Corvette was next.
Damn it.
Mustang was third.
Front flip. I missed the jump. It sucks.
Turismo was fourth. Everybody run for the guy. Who's it? Let's go.
Oh my god.
Mr. Pikachu's
Who's
in.
it?
Pikachu.
Alright,
Yellow
Pikachu's
dude.
it.
Banana Man.
Aw. come on.
Oh my god, that was close. That was too close.
Who's it now? Is it still Pikachu?
No, he didn't
Yeah,
hit
he
me.
did.
No, he didn't.
He did.
Who's it?
I don't know.
Saber.
Banana Man.
Pikachu's it.
I always get so close and fail.
That was me yesterday against God.
I'm not
2 days
it.
ago.
It's serial
Okay.
number.
Am I it?
The Mustang's
I
it.
just whooped registering and
Oh, damn it.
Who's it?
Kyle.
I am the yellow
Serial?
Corvette. Me,
Alright.
yeah.
Hey, I'm right behind you. If you want to stop.
I know.
Wait, who's it? Who's it?
Like he's not gonna find you there.
How did you
I
miss?
hit you.
I don't know who to choose.
Don't you dare hit me. Go places, man.
I just like.
Oh,
I
great.
completely took 2 car collisions. I just want to crash into them.
Am I it?
Wait, who's it?
Get ready.
Me?
Get ready.
It's Ninja Turtle.
Ninja
Turtles. Now it's Imperial.
What?
Which one's that? Who's that?
The yellow
Who
car.
is
The
it? Who is it? Who
yellow
is it?
car.
Holy shit. Oh, what's up, buddy?
I always
Get back here.
get so close.
I'm just messing around with you. Get back
The
here.
Ninja Turtle car. Now
Where'd
it's
you
me.
go?
Now
Oh.
it's the Ninja Turtle car. They bring tunic.
What? I still missed.
You slammed into me, and then my car came back and hit you.
Alright, let's hide.
Anyone
let's
else
hide
have an idea? I see a ton.
They're
No,
coming,
you're
they're
not
coming.
it. I was just messing with you.
Who's it? Who is
Ninja
it?
Turtle.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I don't know. I
Hold
can't
on.
trust anyone.
Hey guys, everyone follow me. Everyone follow me.
Coming.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
I mean, hey,
Whoever's
is there
in-
any way I can get a way to have my car fully armored without fucking leveling up and shit?
I don't know. What was I supposed?
Guys, there's someone in
I
the
couldn't make
train.
it. Who's getting out of the plane? Get out of the plane. Get out of the plane. Oh my god. No, not me!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I didn't die.
That was an epic fail.
Fuck the life.
I know, that's how I feel right now.
Damn it!
Hold on, guys. Everybody leave the airport. I have a great idea I just thought of.
What?
Aw, dang my freaking door.
We're gonna do a challenge. We're all gonna ride in my insurgent. We're gonna go inside of the military base and see who can last the longest.
Okay, I've done this before. I can last pretty long.
No, I go over it.
Everybody pick any car you want, but come with me.
I need someone to pick me up. It's not letting me call my car. Wait, I'm just getting in the airplane. Screw this.
I'm up here! Yes!
Well, now we're getting down, man.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, no.
I thought you were gonna say we were gonna play president. Keep the president.
We're going to, just not this round.
Whose car is this?
Someone get in the car. I'm gonna give someone an escort.
Can I drive my own car?
Yes, you can drive any car you want, but you have to stay with me.
We have to say bye you.
Wait. Did you say grab a car? Because I can grab a car.
You
And
have
let
to
me blow
be
my
in
car
a
up real quick.
personal vehicle.
You know, cut. Oh, you
Fire.
piece of crap.
My car's kind of destroyed, though.
It doesn't matter. It's any car you want.
Can I have a cargo bomb and bring my personal vehicle?
No. Nobody can have the same vehicle.
You just got fucking raped.
Where are you going, God?
To the airport, or military base, waiting for everybody else.
Alright, everybody go to the military base.
Okay. Who's in an airplane?
Nobody can have the same vehicle. And I call Karuma.
Who's in an airplane trying to suicide bomb me?
I called the
Serial killer?
carbonizer. I got the carbonizer.
Who's following? Quit following me. Stop it.
Are you guys gonna not call vehicles?
I already
I'm in
called
my
the
vehicle.
vehicle.
I'm gonna head over there and then I'm gonna call in my mechanic.
Oh, the mic.
Who's Mike?
It's God's, but it's not his fault. Oh, Imperial, what the hell?
I didn't kick him.
No one kicked him. Alright, he joined. He probably glitched out.
So we are going to meet up at the military base, right?
Yes.
That's where I'm
Yeah.
headed.
Don't meet up inside of the military base. Meet under the like by the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where I have my waypoint. Need my
No!
So everyone call the car you're in. I got Karuma.
What?
Everybody call the car you're going in the military base with, and I called Karuma.
Carbonizer. I called the carbonizer.
I'm doing a Corvette. My Corvette.
Okay, now the challenge is just to see who can stay along the longest. Stay alive the longest.
Oh, we have to stay in our first vehicle.
Yep.
We can't get a jet and fly away.
Nope.
Fuck this.
Damn it. Alright, that's fine.
I wanted to ask the
I put
same
the rocket
question.
on. You know what we should do
After a
this?
certain amount of time, we will have a challenge to see who can get in a jet and get to the
Oh my god,
airport
fuck,
first.
son of a bitch.
You die.
Oh my
I was...
god. What are you guys doing back there? I'm like, almost there.
After a certain amount of time, we will have a challenge to see who can get to the airfield, the airport first with a jet, without trying to kill each other.
Okay.
Okay, that's actually a pretty good challenge because everyone likes killing each other. Especially.
Well, no, see, because my trick is if you don't listen to me, you don't get the shark arc.
I'm listening. I've been listening for the day I met you.
Well, yeah, but you just have fun with it.
I know, because this is what it's about, having fun.
Very true.
Not killing each other.
Well, that's one of the reasons why they're GTA.
Can't get there at the moment.
But having fun is the most important part. That mic's getting annoying.
You need
I
something?
fucking missed my turn.
Let me know. I'll get there as soon as I can.
I'm coming down the mountaintop.
Making my way downtown.
I died. My controller literally just died out of nowhere. And then, well, I didn't die.
Where's everybody at?
I'm right by the military base. My controller just died when I was on the bridge. And then I had to reconnect.
Oh, my car. Wait, I gotta wait for it to be called, sorry.
We take this jump on the left You know, the one by the bridge tunnel? Let
Just
them out.
everybody's gonna get behind my car when everybody gets here.
I'll be the.
I'm almost there.
I call second.
It's just...
I got a new car, guys. Don't hit it. I swear to God.
I was thinking about it.
I swear to God, dude. I will kill you. I'm not even joking. Stop.
I tried to not...
Woo!
Who are we waiting for? Who's still in the city?
Hearing Mr. Ninja Turtle.
Hey, you know what, Kyle? Do me a favor.
What?
Take me away from my car.
Hold on a second. I gotta.
I'm gonna be a nice guy, not run into
Get
you.
in.
He's gonna.
Never mind.
Yeah, hey, can you take me away from my car real
Don't
quick?
hit mine. Don't you dare. Stop.
Can someone take me away from my car? Oh my God.
Stop! Here, come here. Back up. Never mind.
Where the hell are you going?
Getting my car out of the way so you guys won't be douche.
I was trying, but he wouldn't back up. Stop hitting my car.
I'm not even seeing it.
Stop!
I'm just gonna run away.
Hey, tell me something. You like sticky bombs?
Oh God.
I just want you guys to know there's sticky bombs on every one of your cars.
Hey, stop shooting my car!
Dude, who the fuck is shooting my car? I will get out and kill your ass right now.
I am, because everyone needs to stop.
I know who it is.
Not me. This is not me.
It's Hearing.
It's me,
not me.
because everyone needs to stop.
It's
If you
Cereal.
would look at me, I'm sniping.
It's not me. It's not me.
Well, you shot my car.
Well,
I
everyone's
didn't shoot
stop.
anybody's car.
Oh, Death Matus is on.
I don't know what's happening.
Just everybody get in your cars and wait.
Dude,
Hey
you're being
now.
too late.
Okay, I get some.
Stop hitting cars. You're being too late.
Alright.
Seriously, guys, stop.
It's not me. He's hitting me from the back.
I'm on the clock.
Stop. I know I can kill you through this fucking window.
I could too.
Oh my God, he has a javelin.
Okay, I'm about to leave and no one's gonna get a shark card if you guys keep acting like this.
Alright, everybody get in their cars. Everybody get in their cars.
Hearing Tunic, don't do anything stupid.
Okay, I got 59 seconds to call my car. Can you guys handle it?
Yeah, sure. Oh, sorry.
Oh
sorry.
my God.
That was an accident. Here, I'm just gonna wait outside my car. How about everyone just do that? Just get outside of your car and wait. With no weapons.
He's got a gun.
Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Just put the gun down. Just do it. If this goes off, well, everyone dies. I'm just kidding. I'm not going down without a fight. Just put the gun away.
Can you guys seriously stop for a minute, please? Be chill.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay. No guns? Okay, I said put the gun away.
Is everyone there?
Yeah, everyone's been waiting. We've been waiting.
No, y'all been
What do
bitching.
you? Why do you like my car? You know what I'm gonna do to your car? Come here. Come to your car.
Hey, I'm jerking off on your car.
I'm jerking off to your car. So is this a boy or a girl? Guessing it's a girl.
Get away from my car!
Yeah, you got my dick all over
I had to
now.
call my car again.
You want some of this, huh? You want some of it, huh? Just stay away from my car, okay? This is your,
Oh my god.
I gotta get my car, guys.
Oh my god. That was so close. I got hit so far away, but I survived. Serial killer, rip serial killer.
Sorry, Serial.
Let's just bury it. Let's make a grave. Let's make a grave.
Ow.
He got fucking ran over.
You know what, you son of a bitch? Get back here.
No, not me. Hey, man, be friends.
Well,
Take me to my car.
What the hell, God? Are you kidding me? I just got it back.
Are you guys trying to fight?
Stop. Guys,
No, I wasn't.
stop.
I was trying to get my car. He was. Man, I was just trying
Guys,
to fix my
stop.
car.
Okay, my
Take me
bad.
to my car, please. Oh, fuck you. Whatever.
Here, get in my car. Get in the
It's
Pikachu.
fine, I got it.
Just
Whoa!
get it.
Take me to my car.
I'm trying to. Next time, just don't get ran over.
How the hell do I even have cops?
I don't know. You shot someone.
Everyone get
Call
behind me.
Lester.
I didn't shoot anything.
Move!
Who hit my car?
I don't know. Come in my car.
Alright, if we're gonna do this, we can now, because I got cops.
I'm doing it.
Go.
I'm doing it.
Alright, I'm going. I'm out.
I'm
Let's
pissed.
go.
Who went off the radar?
I don't know.
Imperial. It says it right there.
No, it doesn't.
You're not supposed to be going off radar,
It's-
bro.
It's a lie. It's a lie. The game lies.
Shut the fuck up.
Woo!
The game lies. 'Cause
I
I'm
know
not
how to get out of the
trying to do
military
anything.
base for the car.
I'm gonna survive this. Yeah, because I'm
How long do we have to stay in here?
Until I say.
Hell,
Oh no, it's a tank! Three tanks, I'm dead. Oh, I got blown up!
I'm faster than you, coquette. I'm just listening to rap music while this thing is going on.
Okay,
Nothing happened.
there's 15
Everybody's
tanks.
dying. Why is everybody dying?
not dying.
It's called
Oh,
tank.
motherfucking tank! Holy shit! God damn it!
There are tanks.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There are so many tanks.
Oh my god.
Holy shoot! That was so. We gotta do it again.
You guys keep
who's
going. We're
riding
still in
with
here,
who?
man.
We
That's
all.
a tank. That's a tank. That's a tank.
Hey guys,
My
listen, be
mechanic's
quiet.
being able.
Fuck that. That's a tank. Again.
Guys, be quiet. Hold on, listen. Okay, there's 5 people in this one. I'm gonna have one partner, and one person, 2 people are gonna team up, and then one person's gonna be by themselves. Who wants to be with me?
I want to do it by myself.
Whoever's gonna be with God of Guns, come over here.
Wait,
Fuck.
I don't care.
Fuck.
I'm just gonna get in this hippie van. I think.
That's another tank.
Listen, who's with me?
I'm outside of the military base by a hippie van.
We're still in the military base, guys. Oh, I'm dead.
I didn't get any stars for shooting a cargo bomb. Oh no, now he's after me. But don't land it, you know you're gonna die.
Calling for some wheels? I'm just...
Okay, so who's my
How
partner?
did I kill you?
I got one in.
I'll bring it by.
Who's my partner?
I would love to get payback for that.
Oh my god, this is going to hell.
Come on. My mechanic will not answer.
Hey, Serial, are you by yourself or do you have a partner?
Yeah, I'll be by myself.
I got hit by a car.
I'll be by myself.
No, we already have
You
someone on
fucking
their
see me.
side.
You have.
Yeah, and that's me.
I want to be by myself.
Someone come get in the car that I'm in with me if you want to be my partner.
Wait, what are we doing exactly?
It's a teams inside the military base.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then I'm by myself.
Okay, so
So, I have to be your
Kyle?
partner?
Kyle and whoever's left, get in your car and meet us in the road.
Alright, I'll get my car.
And trust me, Serial, we're gonna win.
I'm gonna find a crappy car and drive it in.
The two partners need to be in the same car.
I accidentally ran over someone. It was
You just
an
ran me.
accident. Yeah, it was an accident. Even though I'm going in.
No, you have to have your partner.
I'm the solo guy.
Well then, Kyle, where's your partner?
I don't know.
It's a Ninja Turtle guy who's behind.
I am not getting in that car. Don't hit me.
I got the slowest car.
Hey,
I'm
Hearing,
gonna get the jump.
Yo.
you're in the car with Kyle.
Alright.
Oh,
Now,
yeah,
hold
Dude,
on,
open
you guys
this door.
stay there. You guys stay there.
there you go. Are we going?
No, not yet. Stay there.
Not
Get in the
yet.
car. Turtle Man, get in my car.
He said get in his car. What do you mean get?
Okay, everybody get your car and go to where the cereals and stuff are.
I'm ready.
That song sucks.
Okay, Turtle Man, get in his car and Cereal is with me.
Oh, that was fucking close.
Cereal,
Here.
you're with me.
Get out, man. Doing it.
No!
Okay, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Go. I'm so scared of that thing right now behind me. I'm so fucking scared right now.
I can already sense I'm about to die. I just feel like the tanks around the corner.
Oh. You want to take my Corvette?
No, we're not taking your Corvette. I have an idea. Hold on.
I swear to God, if you blow this car up.
See, I saved your Corvette right there.
Yeah. You almost hit the son of a bitch.
I didn't see it at first.
I know. I didn't either. It took me a minute.
Oh my god.
Ah.
We gotta hit it at the right angle. That's what I'm trying to figure out where that angle's at.
Boom, boom.
Oh my god!
You even
Did you see that car?
Throw some.
Yeah, that car just got fucked up.
What are you guys doing? You're not even in the military base.
We're trying. We're larger than you are.
That sounds racist a little bit. Rage is calling me a midget.
Got it.
It's about time.
Suspension test.
I killed
I just want
myself.
to get in a jet.
Okay, you guys
I
gotta get
killed
back in
myself.
here.
Fuck you.
Where's your car, Tunic? I'm gonna take the Coquette.
You can't.
Here,
You can't drive it.
Tunic, I'm in your car. I'm gonna bring it to you right now.
Tunic, where's your car, man? Let's say this car. Let's take this car.
Thank you.
This is such a dumb idea.
Holy shit! Don't destroy all the jets.
Dude, that jet got wrecked.
There are too
We
many.
gotta get some speed up, man. We gotta get some speed up.
Every time I turn a corner, tank. Oh my god, tank.
This thing is so damn
I'm
slow.
gonna survive. Yeah.
We can do it, man. We can do it.
Oh
I
my
flipped
God,
over
that
like
was
a
close.
turtle. Why are there so many tanks? God.
God, this car is so freaking slow.
What car are you driving?
You'll find out.
Yeah, but we're trying to wait for them.
Yeah, well,
this is
pretty
the car.
soon.
Yeah, this car's shit. Here, get back in. We're gonna go in a different car. Okay, I'm calling my car. Why Imperial leave?
I don't know. Who cares?
did
It's
it.
even.
Oh my God, there's a fucking tank. Oh shit!
How about that for an escape?
No kidding. Oh, there's a tank right in front of
Yeah, I see that.
you.
What are you doing? Get out!
You want to go again?
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna take my car. We're just gonna separate. Everybody's gonna separate.
Separate?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine with me. Why do
That way,
More speed.
because that way all the tanks aren't on one person. They're gonna try and concentrate.
And it's gonna spawn like 6 more like last time.
You need something, huh? One of your rides?
Give me
Let me know.
stars, dude.
It's on the way.
I can see you guys just getting chased by the cops.
I know, one just like slid in front of me.
Wait, is somebody already
Alright, so
about to
get your own
go?
car. Get your own car, dude.
Yeah, everyone's in their own car now.
Alright, get out.
He just tells him to get out.
Sorry. It's not me, it's you.
Ow!
Why'd you back
You
up?
look like a car for Deadpool. You look like a car for Deadpool.
Alright, you guys ready?
No, we gotta wait for the other guy.
Stop hitting me!
Don't hit me! Kicking the stairs. No! Why? Dick.
Okay, everybody get in the base. Let's go.
Fuck! Stop hitting me!
I'm
I
sorry. You were in my way.
could. So that gives you the right of way to hit me?
Yeah. You want to try and hit me?
Nope.
Damn it.
Alright now. Oh, he didn't make it! But I did.
Oh,
objective?
dude, that was so close.
What's our objective?
I made it! I made it too!
Yeah, but you
didn't-
screamed like a little bitch.
Fuck you.
If you would have
Horrible.
seen what was coming at him, you would have screamed too.
Probably not.
Yeah, you would've.
Dude, I came
Dude,
in
my
after
car's
him
faster than you.
full
That's just
speed,
sad.
and he was going
That's
full
just sad.
speed.
My car is almost faster than you.
It ain't faster than me. You're not ahead of me, so.
Oh, really? Because that's why I'm catching up right now.
You two quit fighting before I take you both out.
Oh, but I'm your friend.
He's my friend too. And there's the tank.
Oh, I don't want to go this way. Oh my god! Go the other way, go the other way! I'm stuck! Help me!
Screw you!
Dude, there's like 6 tanks outside.
Help! I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck in a fence.
I got you.
There's a tank coming after you, buddy.
This is bullshit.
I'm
This
coming,
is
I'm coming, I'm
bullcrap.
coming,
I
I'm
can't.
coming. Or not.
Oh my god, that's so stupid. I got stuck.
Kyle died.
I got stuck in the fence. It was glitching out. Damn it. Who's over here? Oh, cute.
Hey, does the Ninja Turtle car guy have a mic?
Yeah?
Why don't you talk, bro?
I'm trying to get ready for it now.
I don't think that was English.
Dude, I think I'm a lot handsomer than you.
Shut up.
Look at you. Your guy looks gay, to be honest. Hey, man. Hey, it was a joke. Hey. You wanna mess with me, huh? You wanna mess with me?
Ow!
Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, whoa. Stab again. Stab. Stab in your butthole right now.